conditioning your racing pigeons is a tough job. You need to be constant and you need to be at it the whole time. Today I want to give you an all-natural perch mix that you can give to your pigeons, and that does have a great effect on them, getting rid of all the unnecessary toxins. So here with the recipe. So you need 2 liters of full cream milk. Now you bring that milk to a near boil. Just before it boils, when it's foaming, you take it from the stove and then you add 4 freshly squeezed lemons to it, or the equivalent of it. I just buy the 100% lemon juice and I add 30 milliliters to the milk. Now you let it cool down for a bit, and the final ingredient that you have to add is honey. You add 6 dessert spoons of honey to the milk and the lemon juice, and you let it cool down. So after 2 or 3 hours, when it's completely cooled down, you will see that it's not a smooth product. It's now kind of skiffy, but that doesn't matter. You can just put it through a cloth and then problem is solved. So on a Sunday morning, that's usually the day after the race, very early, I give each pigeon 10 milliliters of this perch mix with a syringe direct into the crop. Then you'll see the droppings will be splashy for a while because the perch is working, and then 2 hours thereafter I feed them, and you will be amazed to see the great form the pigeons stay if you administer this perch mix correct, and you mustn't overdo it. So I hope this is helpful. It sure does work for me, and it's a great natural help. Enjoy your day, and thank you for all the great feedback. I do enjoy it.